Today we're going to take a song we already know, Goodnight Ladies, and notate it. Today you're going to draw, and I will draw with you, 14 measures of music, but I have good news. There are plenty of choices, kind of like a word bank. In a word search, we have a bank of measures to choose from. Now, if this says, good night, we need ladies. Which of these choices says ladies? Well, I know there's 2 notes in ladies. And it looks like that narrows our choices down to a few. Well, lay is lower than D's. It must be this one. Can't be this one, can't be this one. So take your pencil, and it's important to learn how to write music. Feel that graphite against the paper, the friction. I know you're clicking a lot these days on the computer, but I also want you to experience writing music. So we have good night, ladies. Now we need again, good night. Well, we already know how that goes. It's a repeat of measure 1. So you could call it this one or this one because they're identical. Now when stems go down, they're on the left like the letter P. But the second time our song says, good night, ladies. Well, ladies, once again, is 2 syllables, but this time it's going to be the same note. Short, long, ladies. Is there a measure like that down below? Hopefully you chose this one. Quarter notes are shorter. Dotted half notes get 3 beats. Now, a lot of times in music, there's repetition. Starting this way, ending this way, starting this way, ending this way. Good night. One more time, our composer is going to use those same 2 notes. But what makes the song interesting is the phrase ends differently every time. Good night, ladies. Ladies, we're short, long, short. Do you see short, long, short all on the same note? You are correct if you chose this answer choice. Short, long, short. Going to leave you now. Well, that's kind of going down like stairs or steps, touching notes. Short, long, long, whole note. Any guesses? You are correct. Going to leave you. If you guessed this answer choice, because we're looking for 5 syllables, which will be represented by 5 notes. This is called an 8th note, a quarter note, another 8th note, leave you, 2 quarter notes on the note C. Well, can you see how they're going down like stairs? Now, and how now is going to be a great big whole note on that middle line of the treble clef. Well, as you heard Mr. Boris sing, this can be a partner song with Merrily We Roll Along, also known as Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now, I see 2 identical choices. Merrily we. So it doesn't really matter which one we cross off, either this one or this one. The author is letting us know that that phrase is going to happen twice. Now, a dotted quarter note is a little bit longer than a quarter note. It's 1.5 beats. Take some of the time up from that second beat. Merrily we. Now we need roll along. Three notes that are the same. 1, 2, 3. They are short, short, long, and they're going to sound the same as meh, roll along. Well, again, we have two choices. Doesn't matter which one you cross off. But we're going to say quarter note, half note. Roll along has the same rhythm, but it's one step lower. So I hope you were thinking of this guy. Roll along. Short, short, long, low, high, high. Do you see any choices that fit that description? You are correct if you guessed this first option. Now, if I ever go too fast, just push pause. Give you a moment to catch up. Merrily we. Well, we've heard that before. We've written it before, and there still is that choice down below. It's not a word bank. Maybe we could call it a musical phrase bank. Merrily we roll along. So it looks like measures 9 and 10 are going to sound and look identical to measures 13 and 14. But they will end differently. O'er the dark blue sea. Oh, looks like this one. Well, I hope this has given some insight into notes, their patterns, their melodic contours and shapes, their rhythms. Maybe it'll help you write a song, or there you go, or understand a song as you continue on your musical journey.